the phantom DNA effect, memory stored beyond genes? In the hidden layers of our biology, there may be a mystery that science is only just beginning to touch, a phenomenon some researchers call the phantom DNA effect. It's the idea that our DNA may not just be a static blueprint of life, but a resonant antenna, a biological interface that responds to and possibly stores information beyond the genetic code itself. It began with a curious experiment. Russian scientist Dr. Peter Gariaev observed that when a DNA molecule was placed in a vacuum chamber and then removed, a strange energy field remained, as if the DNA left behind a holographic ghost of itself. This invisible imprint, measurable by light scattering and electromagnetic effects, persisted even after the DNA was no longer physically there. It was as if the space itself remembered the presence of the molecule. This led to the radical hypothesis. Could DNA interact with the quantum field? Could it store memories in the vacuum itself? And, more shockingly, could it access information beyond its own code? Some fringe researchers believe this could explain the mysteries of ancestral memory, intuition, spontaneous healing, or even psychic phenomena. If DNA can resonate with the vacuum, the quantum substrate of reality, then perhaps memory and consciousness are not confined to the brain or the cell, but are part of a vast interconnected field. Mainstream science remains skeptical. But as quantum biology, epigenetics, and information theory advance, the lines between hard genetics and energetic information are beginning to blur. The phantom DNA effect challenges us to ask, are we more than our genes? Is consciousness embedded in the very fabric of space? And could DNA be the biological key to a cosmic internet we're only just beginning to discover? One thing is clear. The future of human understanding lies not just in the double helix, but in the spaces between, where energy, information, and mystery meet.